Hello, everyone, you are all welcome to our channel. Now we will be sharing how to easily and simply make cupcakes at home in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back and relax. As you enjoy it all, please subscribe to our channel and share the video. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about making cupcakes at home, from their history and essential ingredients to variations, techniques, tips, nutritional information, and step-by-step instructions for preparation. It's a versatile and delicious dessert that is perfect for any occasion, from casual gatherings to special celebrations with family and friends. Here we go. Introduction to cupcakes. Cupcakes are delightful miniature cakes that are perfect for any occasion, from birthdays and weddings to bake sales and afternoon tea. These single-serving treats are beloved by people of all ages and come in a wide variety of flavors, frostings, and decorations. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the origins of cupcakes, the essential ingredients needed to make them, various variations and adaptations, techniques for preparing them, and detailed step-by-step instructions for creating these delicious treats at home. The history of cupcakes. The exact origins of cupcakes are somewhat unclear, but they are believed to have originated in the United States in the late 19th century. The earliest known mention of cupcakes appeared in a cookbook published in 1796, which referred to them as a light cake to bake in small cups. Cupcakes gained popularity in the early 20th century with the introduction of pre-measured baking ingredients and the invention of the muffin tin, which made it easier to bake individual portions. They became a staple of American baking culture and were often served at school events, parties, and social gatherings. Today, cupcakes are enjoyed around the world and come in countless flavors, from classic vanilla and chocolate to more exotic varieties like red velvet and matcha green tea. Essential ingredients for cupcakes. While there are many variations of cupcake recipes, the essential ingredients typically include 1. Flour. All-purpose flour is the base ingredient for cupcakes, providing structure and stability to the batter. 2. Sugar. Granulated sugar or brown sugar sweetens the cupcakes and adds moisture and tenderness to the crumb. 3. Eggs. Eggs act as a binding agent and provide structure to the cupcakes, helping them to rise and hold their shape. 4. Butter or oil. Butter adds richness and flavor to cupcakes, while oil creates a moist and tender texture. 4. Both can be used interchangeably, depending on personal preference. 5. Leavening agents. Baking powder and/or baking soda are used to leaven the cupcakes, helping them to rise and become light and fluffy. 6. Liquid. Milk, buttermilk, or yogurt are commonly used to add moisture to the cupcakes and help bind the ingredients together. 7. Flavorings. Vanilla extract is the most common flavoring used in cupcakes, but other extracts such as almond, lemon, or orange can also be used to add flavor. 7. Cocoa powder, spices, and citrus zest are also popular flavorings for cupcakes. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Variations of cupcakes. Cupcakes can be customized in countless ways to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Some popular variations include 1. Chocolate cupcakes. Made with cocoa powder or melted chocolate, chocolate cupcakes are rich, moist, and deeply flavorful. 1. They can be topped with chocolate frosting, ganache, or a dusting of powdered sugar. 2. Vanilla cupcakes. Classic vanilla cupcakes are light, tender, and delicately flavored. 2. They can be topped with vanilla buttercream frosting, whipped cream, or a drizzle of caramel or chocolate sauce. 3. Red velvet cupcakes. Red velvet cupcakes are made with buttermilk, cocoa powder, and a touch of red food coloring for a vibrant color. 3. They are often topped with cream cheese frosting and a sprinkle of red velvet crumbs. 4. Lemon cupcakes. Lemon cupcakes are bright and tangy, with a hint of citrus flavor. 4. They can be topped with lemon buttercream frosting, a lemon glaze, or a dusting of powdered sugar. 5. Funfetti cupcakes. Funfetti cupcakes are made with colorful sprinkles mixed into the batter for a fun and festive look. 5. They are often topped with vanilla buttercream frosting and more sprinkles for decoration. Techniques for preparing cupcakes. Creating perfect cupcakes requires careful preparation and attention to detail. Here are some key techniques to keep in mind. 1. Mixing the batter. Be careful not to overmix the cupcake batter, as this can result in dense and tough cupcakes. 1. Mix the ingredients just until they are combined and no lumps remain. 2. Filling the cupcake liners. Fill the cupcake liners about 2/3 full with batter to allow room for the cupcakes to rise during baking. 2. Use an ice cream scoop or spoon to portion the batter evenly into the liners. 3. Baking the cupcakes. Preheat the oven to the correct temperature specified in the recipe and bake the cupcakes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 3. Be sure to rotate the pans halfway through baking for even cooking. 4. Cooling the cupcakes. Allow the cupcakes to cool in the pans for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. 4. This helps prevent the cupcakes from becoming soggy. 5. Decorating the cupcakes. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, you can decorate them with frosting, glaze, sprinkles, or other decorations. 5. Use a piping bag and tips to pipe frosting onto the cupcakes in decorative swirls or patterns. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Step-by-step instructions for making cupcakes. Now, let's walk through the process of making classic vanilla cupcakes from scratch. Step 1. Preheat the oven and prepare the cupcake pans. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line 2 12-cup muffin pans with cupcake liners. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients. 1. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt until well combined. Step 3. Cream the butter and sugar. 1. In a large mixing bowl, beat 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1½ cups of granulated sugar together with an electric mixer on medium speed until light and fluffy, about 2–3 minutes. Step 4. Add the eggs and vanilla. 1. Add 4 large eggs, one at a time, to the butter-sugar mixture, beating well after each addition. 1. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and beat until smooth and creamy. Step 5. Alternate adding dry and wet ingredients. 1. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with 1 cup of milk, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. 1. Mix on low speed until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Step 6. Fill the cupcake liners and bake. 1. Use an ice cream scoop or spoon to portion the batter evenly into the prepared cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full. 2. Bake the cupcakes in the preheated oven for 18–20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 3. Remove the cupcakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool complete. Decorating cupcakes. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, you can decorate them with frosting, glaze, sprinkles, or other decorations. Here are some popular frosting options. Vanilla buttercream frosting. Beat 1 cup of unsalted butter, at room temperature, with an electric mixer until creamy. Gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, beating until smooth and fluffy. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt, and beat until well combined. If the frosting is too thick, you can thin it out with a tablespoon of milk or cream. Chocolate buttercream frosting. Follow the same method as above, but add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder along with the powdered sugar. You can adjust the amount of cocoa powder to taste, depending on how chocolatey you want the frosting to be. Cream cheese frosting. Beat 8 ounces of cream cheese, at room temperature, with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter until smooth and creamy. Gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, beating until smooth and fluffy. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt, and beat until well combined. Whipped cream frosting. Beat 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Use immediately to frost the cupcakes. Tips and tricks for making perfect cupcakes. 1. Use high-quality ingredients for the best flavor and texture. 1. This includes using fresh eggs, real butter, pure vanilla extract, and high-quality flour and sugar. 2. Be sure to measure your ingredients accurately, especially the flour. 2. Too much flour can result in dense and dry cupcakes, while too little flour can cause them to collapse in the center. 3. Don't overmix the batter, as this can result in tough and dense cupcakes. 3. Mix the ingredients just until they are combined and no lumps remain. 4. Use an ice cream scoop or spoon to portion the batter evenly into the cupcake liners. 4. This ensures that the cupcakes bake evenly and are all the same size. 5. Don't overbake the cupcakes, as this can result in dry and crumbly texture. 5. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, they're done. 6. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely before frosting them. 6. Warm cupcakes can cause the frosting to melt and become runny. 7. Experiment with different flavors and decorations to create unique and delicious cupcakes that suit your taste preferences and occasion. Nutritional information. Cupcakes are a delicious treat that can be enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. While they are typically higher in sugar and fat than some other desserts, they can still be enjoyed as an occasional indulgence. Here's a breakdown of the nutritional information for a single vanilla cupcake with vanilla buttercream frosting. 1. Calories. Approximately 200,250 calories per cupcake, depending on size and frosting. 2. Fat. Approximately 10–15 grams of fat per cupcake, depending on frosting. 3. Carbohydrates. Approximately 25–30 grams of carbohydrates per cupcake, depending on size and frosting. 4. Protein. Approximately 2–4 grams of protein per cupcake, depending on ingredients. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. In essence, making cupcakes at home is a fun and rewarding baking project that allows you to create delicious treats for yourself and others to enjoy. With the right ingredients, techniques, and creativity, you can make a wide variety of cupcakes to suit any taste or occasion. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to enjoy the sweet satisfaction of homemade cupcakes. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.